In the euro, it's actually like dipping vigorously. Same to the cable, I'm seeing it following that direction. Yeah, these currencies are in the euro. There is a price action here, good price action. Market it sweeps this high, then goes lower to this sell side liquidity. In the euro is what a good one. This a fake run. This fake run then decline to these liquidity. See these are going to be the next ones. Actually, euro is the one who. Yeah, euro. These are the liquidity that it wants to seek, going to those liquidity to go sell side liquidity. I'm seeing it doing that. You see how it just decline. Also, good price action shown during the London session, when I realized when the GBP/USD was consolidating, London was moving, like the fiber was moving, while I was just in one market. But those are the challenges that I usually have when I'm a person who's specifically dealing with only one market. Sometimes you have to sit in your hands and wait. But due to my experience, I'm later learning to diversify. Oh, it was a very good entry. Wow. In fact, euro is selling. Like the euro selling because above the midnight opening price, after price had swept an hourly buy side liquidity, and it was also on a 4 hour. Yeah, it has swept a 4 hour liquidity. Mama. In fact, I've come to realize some things. This is a good entry. Above, these are 4 hours buy side liquidity, price swept it. Now we are going to seek sell side liquidity, and these are how they have aligned here. See, the cable market was concentrating, but me, I was just concentrating with that cable market. Yet the euro was actually giving a good price action, but it just means that I was just stuck with one market. Now check. Above the midnight opening price, this is a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift in the euro. This is actually during the London session in the euro. A market structure shift then returns back to a fair value gap. You see this fair value gap, and the stop loss must be less than 10 pips. You see, the stop loss then than 10 pips, but the correct entry was the first fair value gap. This it's 7 pips. You see it. Then I have not chosen those take profit randomly. Let me show you how the entry was supposed to be. I have not taken those things randomly. You see that swing low here, this is that will be your first take profit. Then you see the second one there. Then anybody who is still there, obviously this price will want to seek this like a sure bet thing. see. Now you see. No surprise, this is another block. You might be careful here if anybody is tempting to sell, to swing to that. Because how many pips are these? It was in a high resistance liquidity run. That's 14 pips. No, that's not a worthy run. But we really keep on going to this. Even if it's not a worthy setup, less than 19. Can just keep going down, but this was the good setup, but it was a very consolidating one. We'll come back and see if this price really went to this sell side liquidity. Let's go check what the dollar is doing. Stop run to the sell side liquidity. Attacking this buy side liquidity. Not sure, but if it does that, that means we are right in the analysis. But the consolidation price action, we might want to sit on our hands. But a 30 pip range from like now since 7 a.m. like from London Open to New York, now approaching night, and price has moved 30 pips. That's generally a consolidating day. That's according to my currency, and that's one of the challenges that I have. Also, I will repeat this thing again. GBP, the euro, the GPUSD, being stuck with one currency. The only challenge I had was anytime price consolidated my currency, that's when I now know that maybe it's a consolidating day, or it's a not a good day. But yet in the euro, prices move like as general, like that's everything. Like it's like a normal thing, a normal day in trading in the euro. As you can see, that's the reason why I've come here to only stick with currency. One currency, it will feed you. But when it consolidates, those are the worst days sometimes. You see, less than 10 pips. Literally, this was an A plus setup. I didn't touch the euro. That's also a problem that I did. But you see this liquidity I told you, yep, it's gonna kick in. Intercept that one, intercept that one. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, another thing that I'll want to write in my journals today is that yes, I accept that trading in one currency is good, but when it consolidates and the other one moves, that's usually another bad idea, and also some challenging parts. Like for example, here I thought but price was supposed to go higher, but prices is still declining. And see also buying below the middle opening price and selling above the middle opening price. This, yes, price went down, but the best price action was here in the euro. You see it, price swept that 4-hour like a text A plus set book, A plus setup. Price sweep that 4-hour sell side, buy side liquidity inside a fair value gap, nice and smooth. See how the euro is doing. Price swept it, that sell side buy side liquidity swept it. Then here in the you see a market structure shift there. For that, if you are not aware of about the buying and selling in the middle opening price, you would have thought chase this price higher, saying that this price here has given you an opportunity to sell or to buy. Or yeah, here an opportunity to buy again. Then boom, you buy. No, price does a market structure shift there above the midnight opening price. Yes, above the midnight opening price, market structure shift is what I was telling you. Above the market structure shift, above the fair value gap, market structure shift inside the fair value gap, this midnight opening price, then boom, declines to here. How many pips? Okay, it's actually not a good range of pips. Actually 19 pips. No, that's not a good range. You see, even if it is a good setup, it's not worthy a price run because it's high resistance. Even if price was going to clear this, you see, yes, it's clearing this, but it's high resistance, coming, going down, going up, going down, going up. So that's a high resistance liquidity run. We look and see what price happens during tomorrow during the I'll come back till tomorrow during the London session. On Friday during the London session. I thought that today was going to be a good day because we had those news reports. But sometimes it usually happens, but today it has not happened. Price has really consolidated, going to our target, moving back forth, and it's, imagine a whole day. If you actually lost money, today is just a normal day of losing money. Why? I have never seen from London to New York open at around 8, currently right 48, price only move 19 pips. Those are telltale signs of consolidating days, like sure consolidating day. And losing money in those days, it's a normal thing. I've lost also money today, and it's a normal thing. I don't beat myself. You just have to have capital for the next trade you're going to trade. And you see this, you can't profit out of this. If you okay, we sold, then no, it's actually not a good trading environment. And even if price says that it will go, but price action will happen during the 9 after 9, I'm not going to be interested in trading. But Holy Mary, in the tomorrow London session, it's just like sure bet. I know it's going to happen. I know it's going to beat everything, just like that. Do you have that confidence? I have that confidence. And tomorrow, I'm going to see what price action is going to do. and yes, it was a high impact. There was a high impact move, but price didn't happen. We can't move the market. We can't force the markets to do whatever we want it to do. We need price go there down. 19 pips to close? No, no, that's not trading like in a trader's perspective. Now let me look at good XAU. Since I am familiar with analyzing the DXY, I'll just see what gold does. Oh my, this on the 14th, you see, from today, you see this consolidation. So anybody who didn't make money or anybody who made money, that good luck to you. But you see, this price was consolidating, even the gold market. So if you lost money, don't get frustrated. It was a normal trading day. The GP, no, GBP. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. What? It's all markets. Yeah, it's all markets. So anybody who thought that he was the guru of trading, today no one profited. Maybe those price around, those small price around. Which currency? Comment down which currency do you want me to comment to look. USD card. Good oil prices. From the New York. Yeah. Buying. Okay. Also the GBPY was selling. Actually wait for tomorrow. I'm actually tired up because we were live in the London session and price here consolidated, thinking that price will move in our direction. Same to New York. This is another day we have accepted the loss, and tomorrow we're going to show up again and again and again with equity in our accounts and read the price. Price has consolidated with the prices that we are trading. And we're probably going to end it there. Even if price moves, I'll not be interested. Don't forget to subscribe, watch my YouTube videos, educational, inspiring, and I'm going to give you more. This week I'm only concentrating with the beginner. I'm going to upload videos on beginners and everything you need to know as a beginner and the tutorials. Watch them. There is going to be it's a series of the beginner to pro level. After that, I'm going to see now different kind of strategies like the order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity, inversion, fair value gaps, and how they work in the markets and how they are seen in charts. Until we meet again, good trading, safe trading, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.